I should be rewarded for this behavior of mine. Seriously, they are going to push the bus like this? Hi. Over here, this is a special bridge they are constructing. I am not sure why. I mean, why is this bridge being made? Just to avoid one signal, looks like. Because I don't see any other agenda. And this signal does not utilize much of your time. I mean, it does not get that bad that you need an flyover.
ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
See, and this traffic is because of the bridge. For now. He forgot to wear his helmet on. Just wearing the balaclava. Oi. Damn. That was quite deep.
That's what she said.
Yeah, these are the little privileges we bikers get, which we should enjoy, but keeping in mind that we should not trouble anyone else. Yeah, I would give you the preference and then I will take. Yeah, these are the little privileges the bikers get. They are nice, but sometimes we forget that we are not the only one to ride on the road. We actually should consider the other vehicles. I mean, like I said, you should give preference to the people who actually are allowed on that.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
That towing reminds me of my day when I was. तुम टो कर सकते हो मेरे को? नहीं कर सकते ना? तुम मेरे को टो कर पाओगे? अरे मैं बहुत दूर से धक्का मार के आ रहा था. You know what I'm talking about. What is this, man? Why do I get stuck in such situations? Whoa, that was an egoistic move, dude. Could have just let that poor fellow go. It is wrong. Alright, damn. Seriously, they are going to push the bus like this? And look at this. Impatient people. I mean, come on, they are in a misery, dude. At least give them some space. This is something which I really don't like. Oh, it was moving, dude. I did see the wheels moving in front. So what, his reverse gear was not working? That impacted so many of us. Speed limit 70 and I am on 70. Spot on. Can you beat that? This is called precision, by the way. I should be rewarded for this behavior of mine, right? I'm too good to be on this road.
Take 32. Action! मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
Amongst this rule breakers, I just had I received some opinions from a few of my friends and subscribers and colleagues that I should make my videos in Hindi. But well, I'm not sure if I should do that or not. So if that would be very helpful if you guys can, just let me know in the comment section that if I should make it in Hindi or keep it in English, how it is going. That would really help me, because I really don't want to disappoint anyone. Oh, for a second I thought, why are they going in the opposite direction? Well, it's what? 9:15 in the morning, and I can see the traffic on the other side. That's quite unusual. Why do I sense it? Things are not going to be as pleasant as I think. Okay, bye. Look at the what is it doing here? I think I should be away from that fellow. Arey bhai.
My dog stepped on a bee.
My dad has to pee.
My heart skipped a beat. This needs all this. They need honks. I'm sorry if you can hear my honks. My heartbeat is still fast. Well, I could have just stood over there and gave him an earful, but I know that's not going to make any sense because he's been in this profession from such a long time, and that duration has not taught him how to ride. My lecture of 2 minutes is not going to make any difference. I mean, they are used to it. They do it for their living. If that has not taught them, nothing else will. So might as well I just save my time. What are those mirrors, dude? I mean, why are they positioned that way? I mean, what is it looking? Counting birds or what? I'm 100% sure they are not useful for him to see the traffic. Either he's counting birds or either he's counting his underarm hair. Oh! That's disgusting, I know. I mean, I don't see any other agenda of those mirrors. See, they're positioned perfectly. People are hilarious. See, I went into the gadda for the KTM guy as he was following me. That's what I'm saying. I'm too good to be on the road. Oh, where are they coming from? Mike. Well, I know bikers are privileged, but that's not privilege. Not so much that you can just use the footpath as your crossway. Oh, that was scary. What an... I'm at the wrong place. Well, this is the new bridge. That Gokhale flyover, which had that misalignment issue.
22 साल बनाने के बाद उनको पता चला जो इधर से आ रहा है और इधर से आ रहा है वो मैच नहीं कर रहा है.
I don't know how they fixed it now, but yeah, this is the one.